नोड़े जमाक को हेना मैं मिट्टां विदेशी कोड़ा और हाने येलोक कान ताजमहल. Hi bro.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
Holland.
Holland. Oh,
Yeah.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How long you stay here?
1 day.
1 day.
Yeah.
Only today, no?
Yeah.
Today.
Yeah.
Only
just
today, no?
Yeah. I mean, I arrived last night. I'll leave tomorrow morning.
Oh. So where do you wanna go after this?
I go to Ayodhya.
Ayodhya.
Yeah.
Do you go Rajasthan?
I haven't been to Rajasthan.
You haven't through, no?
We like to go. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I have time on this trip,
Okay.
but next time I'm in India, I will go to Rajasthan.
By
Are
the
you
way,
from there?
no, I'm from Jharkhand. I'm from India right now.
Okay.
I'm also traveling here and there.
Okay. Okay. It's nice. You're doing travel around India.
Yeah.
Okay. How long do you stay?
2 days.
Okay, and then you go back?
No, I'm going Rajasthan tomorrow.
Okay. Go
In the morning. In the morning.
How long does it take?
4 hours.
Okay.
4
It's not
hours.
too bad.
4.5 hours.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, well, enjoy.
Yeah. Kata ingo English tin do bang badai te ching mena. En ho jahal ke road kida chit ga se ye road pe buch kida.